This is going to be a video tutorial on how to disable JavaScript on the Brave web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Brave web browser opened up now. To disable JavaScript, the first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now on the page that opens up, the pane off to the left hand side, I'm going to click on Privacy and Security. Then on the center pane, the third thing down, I'm going to click on Site and Shield Settings. Then I'm going to scroll down a ways, down to the Content section. And in the Content section, right here is JavaScript. I'm going to click on JavaScript. And from here, Default Behavior. You could either toggle on Sites can use JavaScript, as you see mine is toggled on, or you could disable it by toggling on Don't allow sites to use JavaScript. That is how to enable or disable JavaScript on the Brave web browser. Thanks for watching.